Everything to work with Mac starts from the desktop. That's here, the space between the menu bar and the dock. The image seen in the background, wallpaper, can be easily changed. To do this, from System Settings, select Wallpaper from the sidebar. Now you can set the wallpaper. If you choose dynamic wallpapers, you can put them in dark or light mode, or choose automatic so that it changes according to whether it's day or night. By activating Show as a screensaver, when you're in a screensaver mode, you will have an animated version of the same wallpaper. It's a stunning slow motion that stops moving as soon as the screensaver is exceeded and turns into wallpaper. Another choice is unique collections of eye-catching photos of landscapes, nature, and big cities of the world, which of course can also be used as screensavers. In the Shuffle Aerial sections, you can alternately and randomly have all the photos of these collections as wallpaper for a while and choose how long each one will be in the background. The next choice is creative images available to you or a solid color of your choice instead of wallpaper. If you want your favorite photos and wallpaper, choose it from here, or drag and drop it on the previous one. If you want to import a set of your images, put them in a folder and transfer them to the wallpaper section from here. The most attractive feature added to macOS Sonoma is easier access to the widgets, which were previously only available in the notification center. Now, you can easily place your favorite widgets on the desktop by control-clicking or right-clicking on the desktop and then edit widgets. You can find your favorite widget through the Categorize in the gallery and drag it to the desktop. And if you want to have it in the notification center, drag to the right and after a short pause, place it among other widgets. Or add another widget to this section from here. If you want to delete a widget, you can do so with the help of the Option key. If you're not satisfied with the widget size on the desktop, you can change or delete it by control-clicking on it. Widgets are fully interactive, just like iPhone and iPad. The most helpful feature of the widgets is that if the iPhone and Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can see the iPhone widgets and drag them to the desktop. You don't need to install iPhone widgets on Mac to use them. If you have a lot of widgets on your desktop, don't worry about cluttering the desktop because immediately after opening an app, the widgets will fade in the background and won't disturb your focus. If you want to see only the desktop and widgets, by clicking on the desktop, the windows will go away and you will only see them. If you change the wallpaper, the widgets will be intelligently tinted based on the background color to maintain the harmony of your background. Please subscribe to help us make better videos.